Hi, Tatiana. So as promised, in order to view all the content from the lessons, you need to go to the Content tab here at the top. You click on the Content tab, you scroll down to the unit that you're working on. So in this case, you're starting with Unit 1. You'll see there are 3 activities within Unit 1. The first one is Oh, the Places You'll Go. As soon as you click here, it'll take you to a web page, which is directly the lesson. Once you scroll down and read through everything in the lesson, watch the videos, etc., you go down to the consolidation part. Here, well, as you stop on, so in action, here there's a discussion post. Whenever it says discussion, that means you're asked to answer some questions and post in the discussion. You click the link, it takes you directly to the discussion area where you'll see all your other peers have already posted. You keep scrolling down. Every lesson, when you see the Dropbox assignments and the due dates for My Strength, it's always under consolidation, which means the end of the lesson. Here at the end of the lesson, it asks you to do a couple of things. It says to complete a learning skills assessment record, which you click on and it takes you to the document. And you complete Who Am I in My Blueprint. My Blueprint is something you've probably already used in the past. If you haven't, that's fine, but you have to complete this Who Am I assessments within My Blueprint. Once you've done that, you're ready to start My Strengths Profile, which is 3 to 4 paragraphs, and it explains to you what each paragraph should have. So paragraph 1 should relate to your strengths. Paragraph 2 should relate to your weaknesses based on the assessments you did on My Blueprint. And paragraph 3 is what learning and skills and work habits you currently have that would easily be transferable to different career pathways. And then once you're done, you click here, submit your work. It takes you to the Dropbox and you're done. You also have to add a My Blueprint portfolio, but I'm not going to overwhelm you with tasks. Just take your time and read it. I explained to Mom that it is very important, if you've never taken an online course before, to familiarize yourself with how to navigate the program. I've already explained that under discussion, there are many videos, how-to videos, that not only teach you how to navigate D2L, but it teaches you other things, how to authorize Google Apps, how to submit work, um, as well as how to access and use My Blueprint, which you will need for Unit 1, Activity 1. I hope this helps, and good luck.